Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring safety. Unplug the fridge and clear adjacent shelves so you can work unimpeded. Once unplugged, remove the broken shelf carefully. You want to inspect fracture lines, mounting tabs, and support rails to determine repair versus replacement. While you work, compare the broken part to a spare or photos from the manufacturer, because matching material and clip type matters for load capacity and sealing. Now, lay out tools and adhesive. Start with a dry fit so you know exact alignment before gluing. You'll now perform the main repair. Clean all mating surfaces with isopropyl alcohol so adhesive bonds. Let it dry completely to avoid weak joints. If glass or plastic cracked, use a food-safe epoxy and press a reinforcing strip, fiberglass or plastic, across the break. Clamp or tape for the cure time specified. If clips or rails are broken, remove and replace them, aligning screw holes precisely. Make sure fasteners are snug but not over-tightened, because stress points cause future failure. Once set, remove clamps and inspect the joint. You now reinstall the shelf. Slide it into the rails and press until clips engage. Listen for a click and confirm visual alignment. This guarantees even load distribution. Once reinstalled, wait the full cure time recommended by your adhesive manufacturer before loading heavy items, then test progressively. Start with light items, then increase to typical loads to ensure stability. If you notice wobble, sag, or loose clips, retorque fasteners or add a secondary support. If problems persist, replace the shelf to prevent food damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.